Walker. We have the first name and the last name. Today I will show you how to separate first name, middle name and the last name from a list of names, which is very helpful while cleaning up the data. I have a list of names here which have only single name and 3 names and also 2 names. Here the data is very messed up. Most of them having extra spaces and the cases are not a proper case. First of all, we need to clean up the names. I will use this trim function to remove the extra spaces in the names. Equal to trim of Control D. So the extra spaces has been removed. So the next step is to make the cases proper. So for that I will add one more formula which is proper. Equal to proper, close the bracket, Control D. So the names are cleaner now. Now we can separate the first name, middle name and the last name. So for that I will use this formula and I will provide this formula which we can separate these 3 names, first name, middle name and the last name in the description. So we got the first name. So for the middle name we use these functions including the formulas trim, mid and search. As you can see, there is no middle name because there is only a single name. So it gives me a hyphen because I already put a hyphen there with IFERROR formula. So for the last name, I am using this formula including the functions length, substitute and the search. We can do all this for the remaining also by doing the Control D. As you can see here, in the list which are having 3 names, we get the first name, then the second name and the last name. And cells are having 2 names only, it gives me the David as the first name and the Miller as the last name because there is no middle name. I will tell you this is the best method which we can extract the first name, middle name and the last name. There are other methods also using flash fill and text to columns. The main problem while using the flash fill and the text to columns is that when we are adding the new names, we have to repeat these 2 things again and again. But in here, if we do the Control D, the formula will be pasted down. So for suppose we add a new name, Walker. We have the first name and the last name. So that's it, and this is super handy. And if you like this video, please do give a thumbs up and please subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.